How to fix Amazon Prime Video error code 5001. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to fix it. Let's get started. First of all, you need to know that error code 5001, it typically indicates a playback or streaming issue. It is often related to connectivity, app glitches, or device compatibility. So there are a few ways to fix it. First is you can simply restart your device. Whether you are using Amazon Prime Video on your smart TV, your Fire Stick, or your gaming console, you can simply restart your device. Even if you are on your phone, you can restart your phone. If you have the Amazon Prime Video mobile app, you can tap and hold on this app icon. You can go to this information center. In this app info page, scroll down to the bottom and select the storage option. Now at the bottom right corner, you can see the clear cache option. Tap on it. If you want to completely reset this app, you can tap on this clear data option and select this delete option. You can now relaunch the app and log into your account again. That should be fixing your issues. And the most important thing is you need to check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection speed. And another way is to update the app. For that, you can go to your Play Store. Now search for Amazon Prime. Open up the app space. Now instead of this open button, sometime you might see the update option. If you see that, you will need to update the app. After that, you will have the new version of the app. After trying out these various methods, you will be able to fix your error code 5001 on your Amazon Prime Video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.